The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for all of Hawaii, effective until 3 p.m. Hawaii Daylight Time. Flash flood emergency for all of Hawaii. The National Weather Service in Honolulu has issued a flash flood warning for all of Hawaii until 3 p.m. Hawaii Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Hawaii Daylight Time, law enforcement reported multiple road closures, ongoing water rescues, and flooded homes across all of Hawaii. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for all of Hawaii. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact.